Hi guys. So this weekend is Father's Day. So we thought I'd read a really nice story for you called A Father's Song. Obviously it's going to look a little backwards with you if I'm using the webcam. But what I want you to be thinking about as you're listening to the story is, what are those things that your dad does with you that you'd like to say thank you for on Father's Day, okay? And that's what Father's Day, just like Mother's Day was, that's what it's all about, is saying thank you. And I can't be there with you guys to make a craft like we would have if we were in school. So I gave mommies, aunties, uncles, and anybody else who might be helping you with it a link for some crafts you could do. I already gave you guys a card a while back that you could do. Of course, you don't have to do any of it, okay? So we're going to read a father's song. And this story is told kind of like the daddy is talking to his son. A Father's Song by Janet Lawler. Yeah. So this is like daddy reading it, okay? If I lift you up high on my shoulders to see, the view becomes better for both you and for me. Sorry, I have to make sure I'm letting you guys see it. So daddy's talking about what he does. So I want you to think, what are those things that your daddy is doing for you that you're going to be saying thank you for, okay? If I gather you close as we zoom down the slide, you squeal with delight as we go on our ride. If I roar like a bear coming out of its cave, you growl in reply, just to show me you're brave. If I chase you around playing tag through the trees, you laugh when I catch you and give you a squeeze. If I scrunch up my face as you're starting to cry, your tears turn to giggles before your eyes, before they can dry. Cheering you up when you're feeling sad. If I squeak like a mouse or bark like a hound, you clap right along and make each silly sound. If I fly around like an airplane that swoops, you spread out your wings, making big loop-de-loops. Wide loop-de-loops. If I push so the swing arcs as it goes high, you reach for the sky when you kick up your toes. If I wade in the water and swirl you about, you splash in the waves as you giggle and shout. Making sure I'm showing it to you. I can lift you and squeeze you and fly all day long to bring on your laughter as sweet as a song. And I'll carry you home in my arms' warm embrace to show you my love anytime, any place. Oh, looks like he fell asleep on Daddy's back after a nice day out. So it was just a quick, short little read. What I'd like you to think of, and here's just one more idea you can do. You could make your own little book for Daddy. And on every page, draw something that Daddy does with you. And maybe you can even say, you can write one little sentence for Dad. You can do that. Okay? We can, and write something you and Daddy do. We can are sight words. Those are nice and easy. I hope they still are. We've been practicing. So you can write those sentences for Daddy. We can, and show him a picture. Dads love, and moms too. We love it when you tell us how you feel, what you like, things that you remember. Sometimes these things get saved for years and years and years, and you'll look at them in 15 years when you're a big, big kid, almost a grown up. And you'll look back on it and it'll make mom and dad smile even then. So that's something you could try doing today. Okay. You can also look at, some of the craft ideas and see if you have any of the materials around the house to make something for Daddy. Okay. If you didn't print out the card and you can't print out a card, look at some of the ideas. There's some things that you could make at home if you have the materials. If you don't, do a quick little Google search. Mom and Dad can help you out. not dad, mom and someone else can help you out, get some ideas other than the ones I gave you. Okay, guys? I want to make sure that you guys make it nice and special for daddy this weekend, okay? Special as you made it for mom. All right. Have a good day, guys.